This is a Master Tonic that I made last week. It sat for a week. It's been shaken twice a day. Looks like it's pretty well picked up a lot of what it's gonna. Now what we need to do is strain this off. We want the liquid. Now, the solid in here I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna use it to cook with down the road. The cucumber is, because I'm gonna try this here and we're gonna watch my reaction. The cucumber is gonna be, I'm guessing this is gonna be hot because I've got 3 habaneros in here and I don't know how many cayenne. There's more than a few dried ones that are in there. Cucumber tends to take away fire from the heat from a pepper. So, tip for you, if you get into something that's way too hot, eat slices of cucumber. It'll mellow it out. It works quite well. I've done it before. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain it from this jar to this jar. It didn't want to run through that filter, so we'll do something a little different. Just got this out of the wash. Spilled a little, not very much. Gonna get a bowl. I want you to twist it up. Twist it as tight as you can. To get the most out of it. You want your material inside to be somewhat dry when you are done. And then every morning before you take your shot of it, you'll want to shake up the jar. I spilled a little bit, but there we go. That should last a couple of weeks. You only take a shot at a time. I don't think anything like this will go bad. We got a few, there's a little seed floating around in there. Again, no big deal. But this is what you want. This is my shot of it. We'll be taking this here in a second. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for this. This is the Master Tonic. Don't know if you can see it in there. But this is the shot of it. This is what they say to take once a day. Basically a shot. And smells like apple cider vinegar, hint of horseradish. Smells really like garlic a lot. You can hit the onions, and I can smell the peppers. So we're gonna see how hot this actually is. Here it goes. It's always hard for me to drink apple cider vinegar because it's got a bite. I expected more of a bite from the peppers. They're hot, but they're not that hot. Actually, I'm getting more horseradish than anything, and garlic. I like it though. I'm gonna make some more of this. This I do believe is gonna be fairly regular. We'll see how it hits me tomorrow. But yeah, it's nowhere near as bad as what you'd think. It's not as nearly as hot as I was expecting. With 3 habaneros in it, I expected it to be very hot, but it really wasn't. Although, no, not even hot now. No, but I was starting to get a scratchy throat and stuff like that, and that is certainly gone. So, yeah, I recommend it. I'm gonna make more. Give it a try.